Hey guys, my name is Marjorie and I'm a dental technician specialized in CAD design. And today I want to share with you some of my favorite things about exocad. Not only the software gives you freedom to go back and forth in the project in expert mode, but you can also add as many extra meshes as you want. And that's very easy to do. Here, for example, I have my own case to show you. First, I start with upper and lower intraoral scans. Then I go to add remove mesh and add my face scan to it. Next, I add my CBCT data, which I previously converted from Dicon to STL as a generic visualization mesh. I add the maxilla and the mandible separately, so the mandible will move when I perform the jaw movements. Last but not least, I go to jaw movements and add my records as an XML file. This was done using a jaw motion capture system. If you want to go a little extra, you can even add an extra occlusal plane with midline for reference, or some sunglasses just to look cool. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what comes next. Bye, see ya!